Cool.
We haven't been asked that before.
And I will say it.
Trying to make sure it was good enough you could stand it out. Making sure it was good enough done that you could stay standing close by. You have any parts flying at you?
Yeah, I just didn't want to be hurt. Holiday. It's my vacation.
Better than Christmas, right?
Amen to that. It's more exciting than Christmas ever was. At least tonight.
You figuring it out yet?
When did you start using peanut butter?
From the beginning.
One of these times we'll put a little bit of jelly and honey on there and make a sandwich out of it.
Yeah, put jelly on the side.
Of it, yeah. Why not? Some bread on there, you know.
Use bread when you got answers. Just so you know,
Okay, invert it.
my son-in-law, this is the first time he's been to Heber for any fireworks or anything.
Oh, yeah?
Ever. He's always knocked and always tried to be Mr. Tough Guy, so this will probably change his whole mind.
Okay.
Yeah, he's been one of those. Lined up on the other side.
Hey, Gus, this is your chance to get away.
Hey, I don't expect this much for June to ride that thing.
Oh, really? We're paying $100 for anybody that catches her.
Hey, Barnett, catch that sucker. I ain't catching it.
Well said, yeah. A couple of us gave this
Stay as close as you want. Back up.
Woo! Yeah, Les! Look at that, right by it. Nice. Nice.
Might as well, it's the only chance we're going to get.
Oh, that was beautiful, man.
3 or 4. That's pretty good offsetting it like that.
I can't believe that it didn't go further.
Okay, load her up.
Further away.
Where's my stuff?
Yeah, because when you put that level on,
Board. I need a fuse.
Now it's the opposite direction.
So it's gonna land right over there.
This way.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Over here.
We knew what you meant. It's okay.
Yeah. Hey, I'm just having fun. I don't care.
As long as it doesn't land on you, it's all good.
Thought maybe you were like happy with one. Because you only got one too.
Uh-huh.
Getting to be a little bit of a believer.
This isn't the sun. This is
Oh, okay. So,
green sweatshirt.
hiding over there.
Hiding away.
No, he's not high. He just
Yeah.
not playing long.
Too much to do that too.
Okay, she pretty quick. A bunch of times, I bet it will.
One of the best ones ever.
We were smiling as Tim was over there, steam coming out of his ears.
Well, we all got behind Blackburn. We're like, hey, you go deal with him.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to be football person.
Yeah.
When you see him, Joe Tim Fled hopping a fence like there's something bad.
Not the reason to.
Not since he is Aladdin stealing watermelon.
Just like he's running. I don't see a dog chasing him. I don't know why they're running.
There ain't nothing they're trying to catch even.
That's not true. For some of us, there's an old fat guy chasing us. And every year he gets closer. That's right.
Cab by myself. What are you doing for a door? I need a door lamp.
Okay.
Not sure if I'll be able to do what I want to with it.
I got a whole nother truck sitting over there that I don't need.
I want to turn that cab around backwards. Put it up against the new one. See if it's a real door. Pretty cool.
I got another photo on top of it.
Is that the body style?
Yeah, the same as mine.
Yeah, we've lost all our marks on the front, so we don't know if
Yeah, kind of noticed. Two, got some more dirt in it. That dirt's old already. We need to be fresh dirt.
Yeah, mine's no body style.
You want to leave this and sit in the dirt just a minute? People come take a look? Yeah, we can.
Not yet, man. Whoa, another good one, Les. They had 3 foot, no, about 7 foot from the takeoff point. Beautiful. Beautiful.
It says 3's a lucky number. Load it again.
Oh, yeah.
Load her up one more time.
Nice.
Load it hot this time.
Oh, man. You guys are awesome.
Do so much. If it can walk up. Yeah, just a second.
I got 2 of them in a row, man.
That's awesome.